What stood out for me about CyberNova Academy was that it is more than just training, it is a real career transformation system. It helped me move from confusion to clarity, from fear to confidence, and from low-paying work to high-value tech opportunities. From day one, we got hands-on, practical, job-ready training using real enterprise tools like Splunk, Wazuh, Microsoft Sentinel, AWS, Azure, Rapid7, Tenable, Wireshark, Kali Linux, Defender for Endpoint, and many more. What really made the difference was the community and support. The mentors were supportive, the learning was practical, and they helped with mentoring, career coaching, resume and LinkedIn revamp, portfolio building, and even internship and work experience opportunities with 100% hands-on labs, real-world simulations, experienced trainers, employer references, a certificate of completion, and a 5-job interviews guarantee. CyberNova Academy really prepares you to become job ready and unstoppable. I highly recommend CyberNova Academy to anyone serious about building a career in cybersecurity, cloud, and IT. Register for the next intake. Don't spend another year wishing for a better life. Spend it building one.